how to create a project on Claude AI. So first of all, open your Claude application and make sure that you are logged into your account. And then from here, what you can do is simply tap on this plus icon like this. And then from here, you can simply tap on add to project, or what you can do is simply tap on this menu bar right here. And then from here, tap on projects. After doing that here, you can simply tap on this plus icon right here. And now you can simply name your project. If you want to describe your project, you can simply do that. And after adding the description, all you have to do is tap on this tick icon right here. And just like this here, you can see we have now successfully created our project on Claude. If you want to add chats on this particular project, you can simply tap on this chat icon right here. And now you can simply chat with Claude, and all of these chats will be saved to that particular project. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.